Historically, a lichen was considered part algae and part fungi. As we've dug into these things deeper, we're finding that it's more complex than just these two partners. There's other fungi in there, there's other algae, cyanobacteria, other bacteria, all working together, basically in this little mini ecosystem. The fungus produces the structure, right? So think of it as like a little greenhouse, which inside that they're growing algae. The algae are photosynthesizing, the fungus provides water and other nutrients, minerals and stuff like that. The diversity of lichens is huge.
Pollinator is any animal that moves pollen successfully from plant to plant. What animals come to mind when you think of a pollinator? Probably bees. Yeah, they're important pollinators, but other insects, birds, and even mammals like bats are important pollinators too. The best pollinators are highly mobile. In fact, most of them fly. The more flowers that a pollinator can get to in a day, the more pollination can happen. For example, animals that are loyal to one type of flower are more likely to move the right kind of pollen to the right kind of flower.
The honeybee is one of the most collaborative insects in the world. Each hive is comprised of thousands of bees working together in order to build and sustain a colony. Within the colony, each bee has a specific role to play, a job, if you will. These are jobs like foraging for food, tending to young larvae, and building a honeycomb.
The Portuguese man-of-war is a siphonophore that can be found floating on the surface of the ocean in tropical and subtropical areas around the world. A siphonophore is not a true jellyfish, or even a single organism. Each siphonophore is actually a colony of organisms called polyps, or zooids, that work together to survive. These polyps are so specialized that they cannot live without each other.